Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a fun collab plan with me with Papershire, who I absolutely adore. I love Zenny shop so much. So I'm so excited to do this collab and share this collab with you guys. Her stickers are absolutely gorgeous. She draws everything and I just think she's so incredibly talented. I mean, look how beautiful. I've been getting stickers from her shop for years now and I absolutely love it. She has the cutest baby stickers. If you guys are looking for baby stickers, I needed so many for my son, so I absolutely adore her shop. It's just so chic. So yeah, let's just jump right into the plan with me. Okay, so I am using our weekly TAS planners, and this is my 2021 planner. This is in the Lavender Orchid planner with the Hollow Sprinkles jelly cover. These are both from our shop, and you can see our logo there and everything. That's what the inside of my planner looks like. I did a little bit of a preview of my 2022 planner on Instagram. If you guys want to check that out, I did save that to my story highlights if you guys want to see that. But yeah, I basically just walked through everything, and if you guys want to see this on YouTube, let me know as well. But yeah, I am so excited to do this collab and to finally share this collab with you guys. So these are the pens for the collab. It is a nice peachy pink color. So cute. I absolutely adore these pens. So this pen here, you can see, has a little bow on there, and it's actually Papershire's logo bow. There we go. It's so pretty. It has really pretty peachy pink gems. And every month we release new pens in the shop, so definitely if you guys are interested, I will leave all the links down below. Join our private Facebook group if you want to be a private shopper to shop before the general public. We definitely have different perks for that. You can sometimes get higher coupon codes during special sales, so we don't really typically have sales, but I did have a big birthday sale. And yeah, you can get a higher percentage if you are a private shopper in our Facebook group. And also, if you are a private shopper, you get to pick up pens earlier. So last month we had a collab with Shine Sticker Studio, and those pens sold out so fast, and I'm so grateful that you guys love that pen. Thank you guys so much again. If you guys want to check that plan with me video out, it's also on my YouTube channel. I will leave that all in the description down below. But the collab pen that we did have, I'm trying to see, I think it's right there. Yeah, that was the collab pen that we did have, and I absolutely love it so much. One of my favorites. So let's just jump into the plan with me with Papershire Stationery. And this is the matching kit called Peachy Day by Papershire. So look how cute these look together. I'm just so excited to do this plan with me. So we have the full deco box here. We have some checklists. We have also more checklists, some icons, weekend banner. This is also perfect if you use a B6 or a vertical planner, but you can obviously use this for anything. I'm going to use this in our weekly TAS planner, so I will have leftovers, which is perfect because I'll just use that for another week. And then we have some habit trackers. I love these. The deco boxes are so pretty. And half boxes. You have your labels, and then the washi strips and the date covers. So I am going to get started on our plan with me. So I'm going to start off with the date covers. And last time I did a plan with me this way, I used the kit by Glam Planner. Also, all of my videos and my plan with me's are on my channel if you guys want to check that out. But I did do a plan with me featuring her Harry Potter kit, so I'll just show that to you guys right now. So I'm going to show you the first. This is the layout. These stickers are from Scribble Prints Co. And I decided to do the layout this way, so vertically, but I love this layout because I had so much space to write in, but could also use this kit. So this was for Father's Day. It was my husband's first Father's Day, and I wanted to do something special for his Father's Day in my planner. So that's what this kit is. And then you can also see what it looks like vertically or horizontally if you want to plan it out this week. So this is by Glam Planner, and this is her Harry Potter kit. So I think I am going to actually plan the same way that I did for Father's Day for the Papershire kit. So let's get started on that. So first I'm going to use the date covers and put that on there, and then put the dates on here as well. So I'll be right back and I'll put that in my planner. Okay, so this is what I have done so far. I put the date covers on, and then I put some of the washi strips. I just cut them up and it fits beautifully. I love how this turned out. And then I'm gonna fill in the rest with some of the full boxes and then the deco, and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'll show you what I used in the kit, and you can definitely use maybe even like 2 more weekly spreads out of this kit, which is amazing. So this is the full weekly spread, and then I'm just gonna write in what I know I'm gonna do this week, and I'll add little stickers and I'll be right back. But I'm so in love with how this turned out. I think it's so elegant. I love the colors, and I just love this layout so much. It's very functional, but yet very pretty, and I love it. So this is my full layout for the Papershire collab, and I just filled in everything like grocery shopping. I have to update my passport, I have to organize and clean the office space. My son is 22 weeks, which means he's also 5 months next week, which is crazy, or this coming week. So crazy to me. And it is a holiday, a new holiday on Thursday. And yeah, private shopping is on Tuesday in a private Facebook group. And that's pretty much everything for this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me, and I really hope you guys like the new collab pens. I just love this color so much. I think the peach is beautiful, and it just reminds me of Justin Bieber's Peaches. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.